Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to get Squidward in Infinite Craft. So by the end of this video, you'll learn how to do them. Without further ado, let's get into it. The first thing that we need to do is to combine two fire to create a volcano. Then combine the volcano with lake to create an island. Then combine it with volcano to create Hawaii. Then combine earth and water to create a plant. And combine plant with Hawaii to create pineapple. After that, combine earth and wind to create dust. Combine it with water to create a mud. Then combine it with earth to create a clay. After that, combine two clay to create brick. And then combine two brick to create a wall. Then combine it with brick to create a house. Now combine house and pineapple to make pineapple under the sea. Then combine lake and water to create ocean. After that, combine it with water to create fish. Now combine fish and pineapple under the sea to create SpongeBob. After that, combine two house to create a town. And combine two town to create a city. After that, combine it with ocean to create Atlantis. Then combine mud and water to create swamp. After that, combine swamp and Atlantis to create Loch Ness. Then combine it with mud to create monster. And then combine monster with Atlantis to create Kraken. Then combine Kraken with water to create squid. And finally, combine squid with SpongeBob to create Squidward. And that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching Tech Tricks tutorial. I hope you learned something, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.